This is a Shih Tzu. This puppy has never had a dog haircut before, so he's a little worried. This is his first grooming, and I really want him to like it. This Shih Tzu has never heard the sound of a clipper, dog dryer, or the sound of scissors, so I often pet the dog during grooming, and it keeps him relaxed. When I work with adult dogs, I always need a lot of patience and gentleness, but a puppy needs even more. Shih Tzus are among the most adorable and funny of small pets. They are friendly, outgoing, funny dogs, and trusting towards all. The Shih Tzu is known to be especially affectionate with children. They love their owners very much, and they follow them everywhere.